to overrun this. We got that.
That is called Mount Akagi, located in Gunma, Japan. I'm heading there to find a waterfall I stumbled upon in the summer of 2024. Back then, my girlfriend and I were visiting one of the lakes on top of the mountain, and on the way back down, we saw a small sign mentioning a waterfall.
Here's the car park.
We didn't expect much from it, but we decided to make a stop anyway. Honestly, it was the best surprise I'd had in a long time.
Yeah, right. Let's try.
You shortly come across an alcove. According to the information board, it is one of many hideaways for the local bandit, a fugitive from the authority in the 19th century.
Okay, so it is, however small it may be, still considered a waterfall. It's called Gunma Japan. That's the temple to look after the waterfall.
This temple is called Akagiyama Takizawa Fudosan, and it was built in 1406. It is built in this almost cave-like natural structure with a huge rock above it. Later, Kenshin Uesugi, a famous warlord from Niigata, had visited this temple to pray for victory. You'll find a sign that tells you that it's a half-an-hour walk from here to the waterfall. However, typhoons and heavy rains have changed the terrain.
I don't know, can you see?
And it's more like 45 minutes.
That's scary. Now, you would think, like, what are the chances of getting hit by a boulder, right? Then I realized this is Japan. We get earthquakes every day, so one earthquake can trigger something and can easily kill me. Here I go.
As you can see, there are fallen rocks and boulders that look rather fresh. I would strongly advise against coming to this place when rains are expected. Also, from what I've been reading in other people's journals, it is now required to walk through the river. There are shallow spots, but I find it slippery, so stay attentive anyway.
Well, oh, really? I need to sit down. I need to... Yeah, that's how narrow the path is.
Let me take this opportunity and tell you why I am doing what I am doing. I cannot help but hear people complaining about how crowded tourist destinations in Japan have become. I, for one, hate queuing. You have to queue for the trains and buses, attractions, restaurants, and toilets. It's a waste of time and energy. People getting your photographs and videos you're trying to take. And I believe all these things are mostly avoidable. So this is a channel where I show you my favorite places in Gunma and eventually other places in Japan on how you can potentially avoid unnecessary queuing.
I'm pretty sure this wasn't here last time we came. I just love that thing. I'm so glad I can walk back here. Oh my God. This is the waterfall I've always wanted to come back to. And look how spectacular this one is. And like I said, there's no one here. Partially because it's winter. It's definitely an underrated sightseeing spot.
It has a 32-meter drop. I don't know many waterfalls, but what I love about this waterfall is that because the entire valley system is sort of L-shaped, you do not see or hear the waterfall until you make that turn at the last corner. Therefore, there is a good surprise element to it. Also, uniquely, there is no plunge pool, so you can get really close to the waterfall if you want. After a sandwich break, it was time to head back to the car. Throughout this trip, I was hoping to find a Japanese suro, and I got lucky. You'll see them right before I reach back to the temple.
Oh, that looks fun.
This is kamoshika, also known as the Japanese suro. It's artidactyl, meaning it's related to cows and goats.
Right, done. Bye. Overrun this. Ah.
I'm back at the temple. I'm paying my gratitude for my safe return from the trip. that is it for this video.
I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, see you again very soon. Bye bye.
If you know anyone who's visiting Japan, who is planning to visit Japan, please share this video with them.